people, you are welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of seeing this face, you are welcome. My name is Amara Angie, and I am assuring that you're on the right channel. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, and for my old subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much. Today's vlog is about what you should check medically before marriage. What are the things you should check medically before marriage? Number one, compatibility test for blood group. Yes, compatibility test for blood group is very necessary to check before going into marriage. If a couple's blood types aren't compatible, it could cause problem during pregnancy. It is important to make sure that both partners' rhesus factor are the same or within a reasonable range. Because when it comes to compatibility of blood group, if your partner if your partner is negative and you are positive, especially female partner is negative, and when she gets pregnant, her her antibody will destroy baby's blood cell if actually that baby takes after the father. If the baby is positive and the mother is negative, that means the baby takes after the father, so the pregnant woman antibody will destroy baby's blood cell, which might lead to miscarriage or death. I am so happy that in most hospitals, in fact in all hospitals, they make sure they carry out blood tests before you give birth. You know, they will make sure that they know your blood group before you give birth, so that there won't be such case. If you're able to know your partner's blood group,
And
if your partner's blood group is negative, make sure you see your doctor. Make sure you see doctor. There is a solution to that. There is a solution to that. When you see your doctor is in a position to tell you what to do medically, especially there is a medication for that. There's an injection you will be given, so the doctor is in position to tell you what to do. Number two, before you say I do, before you go into marriage, before you say I do, make sure you carry out STD test and HIV test. HIV, hepatitis B and C are conditions that last lifelong, and if not properly managed, can strain the marriage. The knowledge of your partner status helps you protect yourself and seek for adequate medical care. So make sure you carry, before you say I do, please make sure you carry out STD test and HIV test. There are other STDs like gonorrhea. There are other STDs like gonorrhea, syphilis. Those ones can also be treated medically. So it's always good to know your partner's status. STD, and you know the full meaning of STD, sexually transmitted diseases. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. So number three is genotype. Yes, we all know what genotype is all about. Genotype is complete heritable genetic identity, and we know all types of genotype. We have genotype types of genotype. We have AA, AS, XX. So, and blood genotype is a key component to consider before making decision on a life partner. It is key because father and mother's genotype ultimately crosses to determine the offspring. So it is always good for our youths, before you fall in love, please ask your partner or your lover, ask your partner his try to know his or her genotype. It is necessary, especially if you are AX. Do not marry an AS partner. Do not marry AX, because definitely you will produce an offspring known as XS, which is sickle cell. And I believe we all know what sickle cell is all about. And it's not really good to have a sickler in your home. Yes, you might fall in love, but it is better to withdraw from that love now than when it is late. Before you fall in love, abeg, ask the person his or her genotype before falling in love, please. Because I know of someone, she has 6 children, and the 6 children, 4 were SS, sickle cell. This woman, she does not rest, goes to hospital off and on. Finally, those of her 4 kids, those of her 4 children, they all died, remaining 2 for her. If she tells you her experience, no one would like to pass through that. So, my wonderful young youths of our generation, this is like an awareness. Some are aware of it and some are not. So we should always, please, know our partner's genotype before we fall in love or before we say I do. Okay? Would you like to see your child in pain? Would you like to see your child suffering? The answer is no. So it is now. It's better for us to know our partner's genotype before going into marriage or before saying I do, to avoid such pain. And please, for our parents that have sickle cell kids, please, if you see this video, do not be offended. I know what they go through. I know what they pass through. I know it's not easy for them. They are humans, yes, and they need that love and care. And I appreciate all you are doing for your children. Please, 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 do not see this video in another way around, please. Please, I'm trying to educate the youth so that some that are not aware of it will be aware of it, to avoid such suffering. Finally, the last one, fertility test. Make sure you go for fertility test, because it is essential and it can be addressed as early as possible without causing unnecessary psychological, emotional, social trauma that associates with barrenness. So thank you. This is all for today. We've come to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share my videos. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you all be notified. Thank you, wonderful people. Bye.